Hello and welcome back for another saxophone tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play Andante in B minor from the Saxophone Grade 3 ABRSM book. Certainly one of the trickier ones, this one. I think it needs certainly a lot more musical finesse than some of the other pieces. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make this sound really awesome. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the piece. Let's say a few words about some of the detail and what you need to bring out to make this sound really great. So I mentioned about the musical finesse of this one. I think the phrasing detail, it's very classical, isn't it, this one, compared to the others. Needs some really nice phrasing detail, some really kind of nice light staccato tonguing. In a lot of ways, I think the musical side of this one is a bit more top end grade 3, grade 4-ish sort of standard, and certainly just a little bit more tricky than the others, I think. So not too bad in that first bar. Already in there on the twos there, da 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 da. I would just, where you do the tongue in there, just keep the tongue in really light, not too sort of da 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 da. So da 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 da. So play it as smoothly as you can, but still put the tonguing in there. So just a very light contact here on the reed, I think. And then let's skip the next line. Now I think this is where it just is a touch tricky. Bar 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we've got that staccato creeping in. But I don't think it's like spiky staccato like you would play for, say, driving sax on the other piece. It's much more classical, sort of delicate stuff here. And there's a drop down of dynamic, which makes it doubly difficult. And watch those sharps. So E sharp, of course, is just going to be on your F fingering. G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp. That's going to catch a few players out, so watch all those sharps going on. And then we're back to the tune kind of inverted. More articulation detail coming up again. Quite high there, so keep the tuning really good. Maybe you could even practice a B minor scale here and maybe try and play it with different styles of phrasing. I get my pupils to do this. So if we did a B minor, so just kind of what you might call standard kind of legato tonguing, and then legato. And then you could even try that sort of as a staccato scale. And then maybe go back and see if you can tongue it really lightly. So really legato, staccato. So very delicate touch on the reed there. And just if you can do those different styles of phrasing, I think that will really help you out for this piece, because it needs such a careful use of the phrasing detail. Okay, so I'm going to do a practice track for Andante in B minor now. I'm going to play it at a reduced tempo. Play along with me and my metronome. I'm going to play it at 84 beats per minute. A bit under tempo, but not much. See if you can play along with me and get it really accurate. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3. So I think that's it for Andante in B minor. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, of course, click that like button and don't even think about clicking away until you've left me a complimentary comment in the comment section below. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.